Hello, this is collapsible wash basins. It was given to me, so let's go ahead and open them. So there's 3 of them. There you go. And this is the small one. It's about 10 inches long. The medium, about 11 or 13, sorry, 13, about 13 inches. And the large one is 15 inches long, so it's collapsible. Push it. There you go. It's plastic underneath, and then the material is pretty strong. And you just push like that. You can use it to wash your vegetables. You can use it for your kids. And I love that. It saves some space. So, yep. So these are the 3 collapsible basins. Hello. Then when you're done, just do this. Store. And they have 3 different colors. I got the green one, so go ahead and check them out.